Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log in as administrator in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system and wait for your Windows 11 computer to fully load up. Give it a moment to reach the desktop so everything is ready to go. Once your PC is ready, press the Windows Start menu button located at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type in Computer Management and hit Enter. This will open the Computer Management window, which is a central hub for managing various system settings and user accounts on your computer. Within the Computer Management window, you'll see a list on the left side. Look for System Tools and click on it to expand the menu. Under this section, you'll find several subfolders. Select Local Users and Groups, then click on the Users folder to open it. This folder contains all the user accounts that exist on your Windows 11 system, including the built-in administrator account. From the list of users, locate the account labeled Administrator. By default, this account is disabled in Windows 11 for security purposes, so we'll need to enable it and set a password before we can use it. Right-click on the administrator account and a context menu will appear with several options. From the context menu, click on Set Password. A warning window will pop up informing you about the implications of setting a password for the administrator account. Go ahead and click Proceed to continue. This step is essential because it allows you to create a secure password that you'll use to access the administrator account later. Now that you've set a password for the administrator account, it's time to actually log in using those credentials. Click on the Windows Start menu button again. Once the menu opens, look at the top left corner where you'll see your current profile icon or username displayed. Click on the profile icon and a menu will appear showing all available user accounts on your system, including the administrator account you just enabled. Select the administrator account from the list. You'll then be prompted to enter the password you set up earlier. Type in the password and press Enter to log in. And that's it. You're now logged in as the administrator in Windows 11, giving you full control over system settings and configurations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.